Living in Palm Coast, Florida, offers a unique blend of sunny days, beautiful coastlines, and a tropical climate. However, this picturesque setting also comes with a challenge: unpredictable and severe weather patterns. From tropical storms to hurricanes, residents know the importance of safeguarding their homes against nature's fury. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's resilience is by investing in storm-resistant windows. Unmatched protection against high winds and debris. Storm-resistant windows, often referred to as impact windows, are specifically designed to withstand high-velocity winds and flying debris during storms. Palm Coast is no stranger to hurricane-force winds that can shatter traditional windows, leading to costly damage and dangerous conditions inside your home. These windows are constructed with laminated glass, two panes of glass bonded together with a durable interlayer. This structure allows them to resist breakage even under extreme pressure. Instead of shattering into sharp shards, they remain intact, significantly reducing the risk of injury and protecting your home's interior. Compliance with Florida Building Code. Palm Coast is located in a region where stringent building codes mandate robust storm protection measures. Storm-resistant windows are built to meet or exceed these codes, ensuring your home remains up to standard. By installing impact windows, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your property is adequately prepared for hurricane season. Lower home insurance premium. Another compelling benefit of storm-resistant windows is the potential for reduced home insurance premiums. Insurance companies recognize that homes equipped with impact windows are less likely to suffer extensive damage during a storm. Many providers offer discounts for homes with these upgrades, making storm-resistant windows a smart financial investment over time. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. While their primary function is storm protection, impact windows also contribute to energy efficiency. These windows provide superior insulation, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. The laminated glass reduces heat transfer and minimizes air leakage, leading to lower energy bills. In Palm Coast's warm climate, this added energy efficiency can make a noticeable difference in your monthly expenses. Noise reduction. Palm Coast residents often seek refuge from bustling neighborhoods, heavy traffic, or the occasional loud storm. Storm-resistant windows are excellent at reducing noise pollution. The laminated glass acts as a sound barrier, creating a quieter and more serene indoor environment. Whether it's the sound of heavy rain or outdoor commotion, impact windows help maintain a peaceful home. Enhanced security. In addition to storm protection, impact windows offer heightened security against break-ins. Their durable construction makes them nearly impossible to breach, providing an added layer of protection for your family and belongings. This feature is particularly valuable for those who prioritize safety and want to deter potential intruders. UV protection. Palm Coast's abundant sunshine is one of its biggest attractions, but prolonged exposure to ultraviolet (UV) rays can damage your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Storm-resistant windows often include UV blocking coatings that protect your interiors from fading and discoloration. This added benefit helps preserve the beauty of your home's decor while allowing you to enjoy natural light. Increased property value. Installing storm-resistant windows is a wise investment that boosts your home's market value. Potential buyers in Palm Coast often look for homes that are storm-ready, and impact windows are a sought-after feature. Their durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal make them a strong selling point, should you decide to put your home on the market. Aesthetic appeal without compromise. Unlike bulky storm shutters, impact windows maintain your home's aesthetic appeal. They are available in various styles, colors, and finishes to complement any architectural design. You can enjoy top-notch protection without sacrificing the beauty of your home's exterior. Conclusion. For Palm Coast residents, storm-resistant windows are more than a luxury, they are a necessity. They offer unparalleled protection against the region's harsh weather while delivering year-round benefits such as energy efficiency, noise reduction, and enhanced security. By investing in these windows, you're not just preparing for the next storm season. You're also improving your home's comfort, safety, and value. Make the smart choice today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is ready for whatever Mother Nature may bring.